I like this. What a cute place.
That'll be nice for kids.
Yeah, our neighborhood is actually pretty awesome.
What do you think about Pat inviting us over?
I'm in.
What I'm seeing is that we're all gonna gang up on Jeff.
I think so.
How long have you been here? Give me some stats on the house.
We bought this house actually at the beginning of our relationship. This was supposed to be like our 5-year house.
Yeah.
Cut to 17 and a half years later, 2 kids, a couple dogs, you know.
Have you guys done anything to the house?
I mean, we painted a bunch of different colors all throughout the house. I like color.
Shame, shame.
And then we did update, like years ago, the floor downstairs is a heated tile floor.
Oh, okay.
And then we did a little teeny like splash to our fireplace a year ago.
What is the bedroom, bathroom count of the house?
3-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
We listed it at $420. We put it on the market a couple times.
Okay.
It just didn't really sell. Now's the time though, because we know that our dream house is gonna be coming on the market that we really, really love, but we gotta sell it. So before we do that, it just needs to be updated. But you know Jeff.
Yeah. So. Well, we do keep him pretty busy.
Yes.
But we can definitely also push him.
Can we take a look inside?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on in.
I actually really enjoy when we work with people that we know.
Yeah.
Because it kind of brings a little more...
Sentimentalness. Sentimentally. Oh, and the first problem area is...
Unfortunately, there are buyers out there where they're like, okay, I want to live in this area at this price point with these bed and bath count, but not a split level. So we have to remove that obstacle.
We think this house is most likely going to attract first-time buyers or possibly rental property investors. So we want to de-emphasize the split level in the entryway. We'll knock down the wall adjacent to the stairs to make the area more breathable. Then add a window door to bring in more light and create an overall more inviting ambiance right when the buyers walk through the door.
I love your fireplace.
Yeah.
We did that about a year ago. Jeff came in and was like, yeah, this needs help.
Yeah, where my head is going is...
What are we seeing when we walk in the front door? That wall. So we need to take out this wall, and then when you're in your kitchen, you've got the visualization of the front door, which I'm always for. We just need something
More special.
More special.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Did you guys put up this wall?
We did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. This is a nice bar.
That's actually a wedding gift from my brother to us when we got married.
Oh. So these are the floors that you're talking about are heated.
Correct.
This space is awesome. I mean, I could see buyers honestly using this a ton of different ways. This is a great size room.
Buyers will salivate over a house that has a place to play with their kids in the day and enjoy a cocktail together in the cozy evening warmth. So for your downstairs area, we want to accentuate the unique features of the bar and the heated tiles. We'll knock down the wall, paint with a lighter color, and reimagine it as a lounge.
So what do you think of all of that?
I think it would be amazing, honestly.
Well, let's talk numbers. With, you know, the kitchen, that main bathroom, pause for dramatic effect with that paint.
And then transforming the downstairs area into a lounge.
And even opening up to give more light to the entryway. We kind of feel if it's a $40,000 project, you know, Jeff will kind of throw us a couple bones and make this work around $30,000. For homes in this area that have those remodels, I mean, our comps are coming in, you know, closer to probably about $500,000. You were trying to sell at $420, so that would allow us to list the home at $500,000. So if we were at $420 originally, we put in $30,000 and we list at $500. Once we get our $30,000 back, that's an additional $50,000 on top of where we were, which we would split $25,000 and $25,000. So that's a huge increase.
We don't care what it costs, we just have to get this house sold.
Well, in that case,
We care a little
We care,
bit.
yes,
But yeah.
it has to happen.
And getting Jeff to commit and actually like follow through is hard. I'm his sister, so if we're gonna move any project, we're gonna move mine.
Yes.
And I'm so excited that you guys are gonna push him.
Yes.
I can only
it's
do
one of
so
our
much.
favorite things to do.
Me too, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you call Jeff, get him over here right now.
Okay.
You go hike Ginger.
Ooh,
So
I
when
like
Jeff
this.
gets here, we jump out and surprise him.
Ambush.
Ambush.
Ambush
Yes.
him. Hey, I'm wondering if you have time today to come over to my house.
I can be there in like 10 minutes or so.
Okay, thanks. I'll see ya.
We're about to surprise him. Good. Good. Okay, I'm gonna hide Ginger, and then you find his hiding spot.
While Leslie and I have been scheming on how to get Gina and Pat top dollar with our design, Jeff and his crew have been busy gutting the kitchen, knocking down the living room wall, taking out the stair railing, and demoing the bathroom so that we can start putting our plan into action.
So I just brought some of the extras that I know and that we have left over from jobs that we've done with you.
We have boxes.
We have to mix them.
Well, that's what we may have to do. These we could maybe use in the bathroom.
So you can do something like this, and then you can take and do like a larger band.
Oh.
So, I mean, we can
like
mix
it.
and match different sizes and stuff like that if it's done correctly.
Okay, so we can pull what you have, pull what we have, do this in the bathrooms. So I'm thinking something like this for the kitchen.
So I need guidance on the kitchen.
Okay, let's do it. So sink is staying in the same spot.
Yeah, sink and dishwasher next to each other.
Okay, dishwasher, sink.
Right.
Stove.
Well, I was gonna move the stove a little further down.
You were, okay.
Because it was so close to the sink.
Yeah.
And now that we don't have this wall any longer, we have the ability to move it down,
A little bit, okay.
foot or two even.
Okay.
So really, the only design option we have is fridge over there.
Well, yeah. Or this is the other option, is that the kitchen continues and flows all the way into now
Some of
our
our
living
living
space.
space.
Yeah, and the fridge would have to be over here on this end.
And you gotta think, then that wall is literally dead space. So if we continue our kitchen area here,
Okay.
then it would make more sense to put our table
Right.
and such here.
Right.
And then that over there really connects with this over here. And if we are going with this French country style.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking, let me grab my fan.
What are you thinking?
Leslie says I always do this. I haven't noticed
Have you not
it.
noticed it?
So a lot of our first-time home buyers probably wouldn't say, I'm looking for a French country style, but I think they're gonna be really attracted to it. It's got a romantic feel to it. No, it doesn't match the outside, but I'm thinking more, what is going to jump out to this buyer in the design inside? I was thinking that we were gonna do like a bluish, like a deep blue cabinet.
Okay. What are we doing for above the fire, or
A hood.
we are gonna do a hood.
And I have
Absolutely.
one in mind.
Figured that. Okay.
Because I wanted to bring a little touch of that rustic in with our design for the French country.
So by saying, is it your hood, like something you're purchasing?
No, your hood.
How'd you gonna build?
Oh, I have to build this.
A hood that's up here.
We're behind the whole free labor thing.
Got it? There you go.
Jeff and his crew are really cooking now. A lot has been done. They've laid the bathroom towel we cobbled together from our surplus stash, which will still give the shower a high-end custom look.
The paint is done.
Yeah.
They've already started putting in cabinets.
So we're here today to check up on the house.
Got a lot to do here. I'm really excited about it.
The kitchen has undergone some major transformation. The countertops and cupboard doors have been installed, the sink has been placed, and we've even got some appliances in. We're going to say a quick hello, check on the progress, and then do some basement tile painting.
Hey, Ryan. Hey.
Hey, guys.
Wow, it looks awesome.
Where's Jeff?
He's on another job.
So we get to harass you today.
You do get to harass me, which I'm kind of nervous. I'm scared.
Ryan's like Jeff's right-hand guy. He oversees a lot of the projects, been with Jeff for years.
Ryan is Jeff's Leslie, or
Jeff is Lyndsay. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
They're like us. Oh, is this one of our lights?
It is.
Oh, perfect. So little touches of that copper around.
Wow, that's a lot of copper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have the backsplash here?
We do. I was actually just looking at it.
Oh, good.
So
That's different than I thought.
is it?
It's totally different. Like, I'm very confused right now. Was this like Jeff going like rogue?
I'm really excited to see how the country cottage railing design turns out. I think it's going to look really great with the board and batten going up in the entryway. And that rustic copper and aged dark wood design for our oven hood is going to be the center of attention in our kitchen, pulling everything together.
this probably living room? We're really trying to create a cozy, cottagey kind of feel. So a lot of stones, woods, ceramics, and then we have these little pops of the lavender. A little ode to the French countryside.
What? This is a huge coffee table.
Oh my gosh, you are ridiculous.
We're taking it over, we're tearing it down. Coming back, won't do what we're told.
Really, French country is a balance of natural materials.
Lots of drapery, lots of flowing.
It's my kind of world, all the boys and all the girls, come on, yeah.
I like how everything's kind of muted, and then we came back through and we popped with our lavenders. It's really about highlighting the features of the home.
Yes.
We want to make sure that we are helping the buyer direct their eye to what we are selling in this property.
And it's my kind of noise.
Look at this.
Whoa.
This is not our house.
It is.
I've got you. I know I'm stronger. I know I'm braver.
It looks so much bigger.
I know I'm bolder.
I just need to sit down for a minute.
For sure. I was thinking of like French country. I wanted that really kind of open, romantic kind of feel. With the railing, we went for like that country fence look. And we just want to go with something that people could just picture themselves in.
This is just beautiful.
Yay.
Sorry.
No, I love that you love it.
You can tell that you guys added a little extra love in there, and like, I
We
mean,
did.
Yeah.
I never knew what to do with that wall.
Yeah.
So the board and batten was immediately something that you just went, you know, and your eyes went straight up.
I don't know if you were aware, but that's one of my favorite brick tiles.
No.
You guys said one of the biggest struggles here was the size of the kitchen.
Yeah.
Something inside is calling me out.
And I can't.
Yeah, you can't touch. It's like a chain now.
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
But it's not so far that you feel disconnected.
No, not at all. And that hood.
Yeah. Yeah, your brother did a phenomenal job.
I want to see more.
Okay. Let's see the main bedroom.
Oh my God. It's so pretty. It looks so much bigger.
2 decent-sized nightstands and 2 big lamps, chandeliers, and a dresser. I mean, really showing the buyer that this is a good-sized main.
So romantic.
Yes,
That's what we were
exactly
thinking.
what we were going for. Okay, then the main bathroom.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is
Wow, that is
amazing.
way better.
And it's not bright yellow.
There's a large shower.
Yes.
So one of the things your brother did that's just so genius was, and he said, I'm gonna mix and match tile, and it actually turned out amazing.
Really
Yeah,
cool.
it looks so good.
It looks so good. Okay, let's go
We
see
still have all
downstairs.
downstairs.
I'm so overwhelmed by just this, so downstairs I can't even wait. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. The wall is gone. And the bar is still here.
So we wanted to make this nice and cozy down here. Painted the tiles so that we
Yep.
didn't lose them, but
Updated them.
we
This
is
updated
original?
them.
Yeah, these
These
are
are.
the original.
I love it. I love how open it is, how bright it is.
So with Jeff doing the labor, our total renovation costs were about $30,000. You guys tried to list at $420, and we just listed it this morning at $500,000. Once that $30,000 is paid back,
An additional 50-50 split profit of $50,000.
I have no words.
I think this house is gonna sell in 2 days.
I say 3.
Oh, it's so cute in here.
Yay!
Thank you.
So have you been looking for a home for long?
I just got out of the military.
Oh,
You know, my son's in university now.
Oh my God. Stop it. Like, I look like you're in your 20s. We felt like this could be a good one for you to look at as a rental investment.
You already did all the work for me, which is nice.
I love that on the stairs.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's really unique. I haven't seen that before. I would not have picked out that hood, but it actually complements everything and it looks so good.
This is very nice. I don't know if we'd want to make this a rental.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, hey, did you hear that we sold Gina's?
I did.
We listed it at $500,000
Okay.
and we ended up selling it $540,000.
What?
I know. We had 4 or 5 offers and went under contract in 3 days.
That's great.
I know.